I'll soon be getting my woolly scarf and my hat on soon. Currently, I've got the Subaru back put together because over on our other channel, we've managed to get it bolted because it's got to be used, so the ramp needs to be used tomorrow and the rest of the week. So we need to get it off that ramp because it's overstayed its welcome. Been given strict orders to get it off. And whilst the lads have gone out on breakdowns, I'm just re-torquing and putting on some customers' wheels. I like to go across and then around on them, just to be sure. And then hopefully we can get that Subaru off the ramp, start tidying up. We've got some more racking that come in, make the place a bit smarter. And then been waiting for 3 weeks for our electrician to come in, but he is good, and he is good to us. We'd rather wait because we're going to get those lights on there, and they're going on the top underneath the workshop area there. So now we're in the dark, it's definitely needed. So what we're doing is taking those out and putting some bright LEDs, so it should make this, well, really bright. It's like whenever I get distracted or I'm ever talking to the customer or like the camera now, I end up having to go, right, okay, so I'll restart all the wheel nuts, even though I know I've done them. To be sure, because that one's done. I'm going to redo this because I was talking to you a minute ago. Just certain times when you're doing a job that you're just like, right, got to focus. There's no way around it. And obviously, I've checked my torque range setting, and each time I rewind it back to 0 as well. That's important so that your torque wrench gives the right figures when they come out and do the calibrations, and they're not dropping it on the floor either. So something new we're going to get. So we end up getting all our parts just decked on the floor there. So now we've got some racking here. So we'll have our parts suppliers and then returns. And we'll get a tray on there, and then that's going to go over there. And then I bought some more racking for the project cars because having it laid out on the floor and then having to figure out where bits are when you chuck them out takes up more space on the floor. So now we've got multiple layers. And like I said earlier, that's got to come off because that's been there for weeks. Not necessarily on the ramp for weeks, but it's been on and off. It's got no brakes, so that'll be fun between me and Joe. So the impreza is one of 2 projects we've got on our full send main channel, where we're trying to get these 2 cars ready for a road trip to Germany next year. This is over budget, behind schedule, and we're finding more problems with it. When I say we, I mean me. I'm going through and stripping out bolts using our new shop blaster. But you'll have to, if you follow us on Pro Full Send, you might see some of our other videos. Right, let's chuck this back. Nice lock and wheel nut key as well. Nothing more frustrating than not knowing where it is in a customer's car. So that's good, that's on there. And, oh, actually there is something more worse. It's over tightened wheel nuts or Ford nuts. That's a prime example. Those are the worst because they swell. So you need basically 3 different nuts. You need like a 18, 19 and a 20, depending on whether they've swollen, got the caps on, not got the caps on. But that's for another story, for another video.
Good luck with your channel.
Cheers.